Today we are going on a run. Today we are going on a run after eating a bowl of ice cream. It is not going to be fun. We got the lactose-free ice cream. Because I am lactose intolerant. Full bowl of ice cream. Time to devour. Ooh, got a brain freeze. Done. The wind is absolutely ruining the recording. We are not off to a good start. I am already hurting. Oh, there we go. Now I have a better shot. Sadly, I don't have any fancy camera or little setup thing that can make it less bouncy. So, low quality recording. We're about a third of the way into the first mile, and I am feeling like I'm gonna throw up. Oh, we must go on. We have to complete the 5K. I'm struggling to record because of all the wind. It's almost deafening, especially if I turn it up a little bit. Over the last couple of days, it's been pretty windy, so people's garbage cans and stuff just falling over. I'll put it back up for them. Let's go over here and get it on the street. Yeah. There we go. So many divots in the ground from the rain, but we can run. We have to make it to the horses. Step over here. Oh no, I'm getting way too muddy. We're going around. Don't even know why I tried that. Oh, why didn't I go right there too? Hey horsies, we made it to you. Now we're gonna keep on running. We're going out into the field. Oh, there's Dolly. Going to the field. See if I can, zoom in on it. Built something here a little while ago, I believe. It was falling over. But off we run. We're at the wood. The wind is here a little bit, but maybe if I cover the microphone a little. This is what I built. Basically, that piece of wood right there will go on the top. And then it'll come over some other wood. It's right here. I have not set it up yet. It's been too windy and rainy to build. Somehow, they stayed together, stayed up, which is real nice. These rocks didn't really do anything, but we must continue running. Man, you look at this field, then you look at the neighbor's field, so much smoother. And 1 mile. Starting to cramp up along my side right here and a little bit right here, but not too bad. I've only felt like I was gonna throw up a couple times. Can't pass Big Bud without getting a video of him. Big old draft horse. We're at the turnaround point. Time to go back. The mountains look very beautiful right now. Very beautiful. And off we go. Gotta take a walk break. Stomach is starting to hurt a lot. Usually I don't walk, this is such an easy pace. We're looking at about, what's that, a 20-minute pace right now. Because I'm walking, but before it's probably about 10-minute pace, I'd guess. Gotta keep running. Gotta keep going. Can't give up. It hurts a lot, but we can finish it. We're at what? 1.5 miles. I thought we were a little farther. We just gotta double that. Double that, and then we're not even there. We're almost there. Oh, I'm really feeling it now. Oh. Maybe I should rub my neck. That might make me vomit. Other than, not feeling too good. Feels so nice out right now. It's a beautiful day. Just a little bit of wind. Messing with the audio, but I can attempt to deafen it out a little. I'm drinking some water. Great sounds. There's Bud. We're back to the farm. Cramps are really starting to hurt a little. Doing all right. We're going off into the trees. Good thing it's not like fully spring yet, because usually there's a gazillion mosquitoes in there. I would never run there when there's mosquitoes. It's horrible. You get like 10 bites every minute you're in there. Oh, gotta stop and tie my shoe. Hold, please. I swear I double knot it, guys. I swear I double knot it. It just happens to come untied almost every single time I run. It's really annoying. I should probably start triple knotting it. I just hit 2 miles. Average of like 11-minute pace. So not very good. Usually I'm running about 9-minute pace. Today about 10, but all the stopping brings it up a whole minute. Oh, I'm not feeling the best. We made it to the trees. We're going under. It's a lot darker in here. We're just going to the end of the road and then we'll turn around again. This is such a nice place. It's really cool. Sometimes it's a little wet over there. There's water right there. Oh, it is wet over there. Just a little bit of snow over the top of it. Not as dry right here. A bit of mud. We're gonna go on to this stuff. Alright, we made it to the gate. Let's touch bases. Oh, I'm cramping. Both of my sides hurt. It's not the best. We gotta walk a second. Let me pause my watch. I'm gonna pause it. Just walk through the trees while my stomach settles a little, I guess. I really don't want to throw up. Threw up a couple weeks ago. I got a stomach bug. I mean, I missed some school, but my grade dropped to an F and stuff. I made it up. Usually I'm a 4.0 student. Now I'm just bragging. Oh. Easy breather. All right. Time to start running again. Recently, recently I've been doing a bunch of research on the algorithm and stuff for YouTube. Oh shoot, there's bugs everywhere. My camera probably cannot catch them. As I was saying, I've been doing a bunch of research. Maybe an hour or two a day. Oh. Whew. Oh, the cramps are getting bad. Oh, I think the ice cream is digesting now. We're at 2.18 miles. Oh boy, I'm getting a little gassy. Gotta finish explaining. I'm watching stuff. Learned about this one thing called the case study, where you kind of look at other well-performing videos from, less big creators, and you see how much like they perform and how many likes versus views they get, how many subscribers the creator has, stuff like that. And then you devise some type of a video idea kind of off of that. I've gotten a few videos. It's not a straight copying, which is, I would never copy somebody. That's just not a thing I really do. But you kind of take their idea and switch it up a little bit. Like, if there was some video about 10 tips about soccer, I could change it up, do something like, 10 tips about running form or something like that. Right now, my running form is collapsed, but normally I'm better. Definitely can't explain right now. Oh, time lapse. Oh, my finger's been in the whole recording. That's dumb. It's all ruined. Let's keep pushing forward. All these videos are gonna take so long to upload. Basically, from my phone, I upload them to my Google Drive to access them on my computer. Normally, I would be a normal person and airdrop them to myself. Oh gosh, the cramps are coming. Oh. But I do not use a MacBook. I have a Windows computer, so I just upload them to Google Drive, and from there, download them on my computer, and then edit them. Please tell me if there's some better way to do it, because it takes like 2 hours to upload them. Well, that's a very big stretch. The other long video I have took about an hour and a half for all those shots, and it ended up about 10-minute video. Doesn't have any views, so I'm gonna shout myself out, right? Put a link in the description. Go watch that video that I accidentally recorded sideways. Kind of messed it up, but it's all right. You learn from your mistakes, right? We're 2.7 miles. We're about half a mile. Actually, never mind. Scratch that. We're about 0.75 miles away from being done. Oh, it's just getting worse and worse. I don't even know why I have a smile on my face still, but oh, ball. Let's not trip. That would be bad. We've made it to more horses. These guys hanging out, they're all pregnant. So maybe I'll post about babies being born, but I'm trying to keep this to running. I did some stuff with plants earlier. The videos didn't perform at all. Got no views, except when I built this one thing for my cotton plants. There's somebody around. I'm gonna stop recording. I'm going on to a busier road. Pray we don't get ran over by a car. I made it to my grandpa's house. Oh, it smells so good over here. It smells just like pine trees. I love the smell of pine trees. It's very nice. Very nice. Oh shoot, I'm walking. Just realized that. Tree fell over the neighbors the other day. I helped clean it up a little. So I was over my grandpa's a lot. That's nice. I'm gonna go visit my grandpa. Oh, I just finished visiting my grandpa. My muscles are a little more cramped now, but it's fine, it's fine. We are about done. Let me see. Oh, my watch isn't started. Gotta hit it with the weird part of my hand. We're about a quarter of a mile. Wait. Oh, we're actually just past a 5K. I just realized that. So that was a good stopping point, I guess. I gotta undo a lock. The carabiner. Anyways, I was thinking for a second that a 5K is oh, I'm covering my camera. That a 5K is 3.5 miles, but I have received enlightenment. It is 3.2 miles. So, we are done. Oh, hold up, we gotta go see the horses. Horses, are you in here? No, they're not in here. Oh, I'm blind, they're over there. Let's go see the horses. Hey guys, how you doing? You just eating some hay? That's fun. Let me just hold out my hand. I saw you guys a couple days ago. It's just me. You know me a little bit. Let me see you, other horse. This one's a little bit less shy than the other one. The other one doesn't let me pet as much, but actually my watch is still running. Maybe I should go. Ugh. All right, I'm through the last field. I'm about home, so I'm done recording. I would have ended up a much better run if I had not eaten up a big bowl of ice cream before, but turned out good. I didn't throw up. Mostly just had cramps. Felt like throwing up a little bit, but overall it was like a B+ run, maybe a B-. I don't know.